Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. In today's video we're going to be testing this Hoover 10kg 1400 spin washing machine. I got this yesterday for, I think it was 20 quid or something like that. They were getting rid of this machine because they're having a kitchen renovation and they said to me it was quite loud on the spin, which by the sounds of it in the video they sent was the shock absorbers. The machine's got a lot of evidence of jumping around, so I think it will be one to keep the camera on because I'm sure something spectacular will happen with it. But the plan is for this one to kind of keep it and just use it for my own personal use, as I kind of need a machine that's quite a big capacity in the shed that I can just shove everything in and just use. As I do like using the old hot points, but I kind of rather keep them in better shape, if that makes sense, you know. So without further ado, I think we'll give it a test spin. I have put a couple of towels in there just to tumble around. They're already dry, and then maybe we'll give it a baby 30-degree wash because these towels are just clean and I just kind of want to see how this machine acts. So drain and spin, it defaults to 1000 RPM, which I will change to 1400. There we go, and let's go. I've also fitted the black Hoover's motor onto this because the original motor this had was arcing quite badly, and I took it out and I realised someone's been in there before because there's like fingerprints all in the carbon dust, and they had replaced the brushes before but they put them on the wrong way round, and one of the brushes was half stuck and it wasn't, like, you know, so it wasn't really making proper contact with the commutator, so it was just arcing and it wouldn't do a spin. It kept rebalancing, and then all of a sudden it just stopped turning altogether. So I just took the motor out, had a look at it, and the commutator did look quite burnt, and so did the brushes. So I just thought, you know what, we just put a newer motor in it from that black Hoover. Obviously that's 2020 made, so it just made more sense just to use that, really. I'm going to keep the old motor obviously, so I can put it in the other one that's outside, because that machine still hasn't been destroyed and it needs to at some point. I've obviously used as well the black door from that Hoover, well, what was meant to go on that Hoover for now, because it had a reflective one which I don't really like, not going to lie to you. I have ordered a white one though, it is coming, it is on its way. Sounds like something's stuck in the drum. That's going to be fun trying to get that out then, unless it was something in the filter, I don't know. I'll clean the filter first and see what I can see in there, and if that don't cure the issue, then I suppose I'll just have to try and maybe take the element off and see what's in there, because it sounds like a coin might be stuck in there somewhere. Maybe that's what they meant by the noise, I don't know, because the shocks didn't sound awfully noisy to me, but there you go. But it's got minutes to go and it's about to unlock the door, so I might as well just leave it there, as there's not much more to really film in this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.